The poet is not. Into the realm of poetry I dive. I reach the zenith of existence. Out of its tragic abysmal pit, I learn that life is meant for words and rhymes. Through its magic of measure, I wondered, is life free but metered? By its enigmatic essence, I concluded, poetry is immortal, yet poet is not.